In trigonometry, sometimes it's helpful for us to standardize how we label things. So, when we are given sides of a triangle, we often think of them as a standard capital A, B, C triangle or a standard alpha, beta, gamma triangle. When something is a right triangle, the C is often the right angle, the angle that we can see here. We and then the A, capital A and the capital B are going to be the labels that we put on the two acute angles that go with that right triangle. Then to label the sides, you always label the side with a lowercase letter opposite of the uppercase angle. So obviously the hypotenuse will always be little c. That lets us have a squared plus b squared equals c squared for our Pythagorean theorem. But opposite of capital A angle is side little a, and opposite of angle capital B is side little b. And these are going to be the standard ways that we label the sides of an ABC triangle. When we see something a little bit different, sometimes we use Greek letters. Greek letters are often used in trigonometry and upper level mathematics. This is known as an alpha, beta, gamma triangle. You will often see at this point when they are right triangles the gamma left off. Think of alpha and beta as the same as capital A and capital B. You'll notice C is always the hypotenuse of the triangle. The little a is opposite of angle alpha, and the little b is opposite of angle beta. By the way, if you want to write an alpha, think of like kind of like writing a fish. You're going to just do that. That is how we would write an alpha by hand. A beta by hand, you start at the bottom and work up and swirl around. That would be a beta by hand. If you absolutely hate alphas and betas, that's fine. Just use capital A and capital B. But know that when you are given problems, you may see alpha and beta used in your problems. It is very common.